Ghansoli, the gems of the Navi Mumbai. It is a developing luxurious locality situated in Navi Mumbai. This place known as a good connectivity and rapidly growing infrastructure. In the season of the festival, the whole Ghansolikar celebrate festive like a family. It's divided housing area like Ghansoli Sector City, Ghansoli Gaon, Sitco area, Simplex Garonda. So today we are going to explore Central Park of Ghansoli. सबसे पहले तो आपको घनसोली स्टेशन आना है. घनसोली स्टेशन के ऑपोजिट साइड ही सेंट्रल पार्क है. सो लेट्स गो. And you know what? Entry is free in this park. Morning timing is 5:30 to 10 and the evening timing is 5 to 9. There is too much crowd in Sunday weekend. There is 30 plays and things to do in this park. Lots of greenery and the creativity you must have to see. It is the best place to visit with your family and friends. And if you are a solo traveler like me, this place is best option. There is lots of thing for children, so Central Park is the best place for your child. Who loves to play football, it is the best ground for it. And also who love to watch football, it is also best for them. There is swimming pool also available in this park, but swimming pool बंद है, so आप booking भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर आप भूल भुलैया भी ज़रूर विजिट करना और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे स्केटिंग करने की भी प्लेस है.